Hey, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Eddie Harvey from TradeWithEd.com. Hey, listen, guys, I want to share with you a simple, profitable Forex trading strategy. All right, guys, so this strategy is inside. I learned this strategy through the platform that I utilize, and it's actually been turned into a product which is helping so many people win inside of our platform, right? So I love this strategy because it's simple. From the educator within our platform, I learned this. I started learning this strategy almost a year ago. Buckled down, guys, and I definitely don't call myself a master, but I've learned this strategy and have become pretty good at it for marking up the charts. Now, if you notice right here, if you look at this strategy, this is it. I'm showing you. And you might be like, what the hell am I looking at? All you're seeing, guys, is some lines, right? You're just seeing a couple of lines with a box in the middle of it for the standpoint of, guys, of this strategy is this strategy, guys, consists of pretty much support and resistance. Every now and then I might break out some Fibonacci, but it's consisted of support and resistance, guys. And if you look right here, I kind of have price cornered, right? As you can see here, what I'm doing is seeking out the highest point of resistance currently based on where the trade is at, and the lowest point of support. Okay, now if you look here, I have it marked up right here, and if you look at what happened with this trade, all I'm waiting for, guys, is a few things to happen. So right here, I had it marked up for if the trade was going into a sell. And if you look right here, it was trending good, right? Downtrend, boom, clear cut downtrend. So and the reason the way the strategy works, guys, find the highest level of resistance and the lowest level of support. And it's being a safe trader, I don't trade any of the in between based on my strategy. So what I did, I had the chart marked up right here, and all I did right here was wait for price to break this level of support, which it did right here. And then what you're waiting for is a retest. Okay, if you're waiting for a retest, it kind of bounced off the lines right here, boom, right in here, really started, it retested, okay, retested, boom, actually went up past the retest. How many pips did it go up? So let me see, it went back out of the box. Let's say if you would have got in right here on break, let's just say, because it's hovering right here, you got in right here on a retest, this went up, okay, 40 pips. All right, but before it went up 40 pips, it dropped down almost 30 pips. So could have caught 25 pips off of that, right? But if you look all in all, it eventually dropped down 226 pips. After this drawdown, there wasn't much drawdown after that, okay? And it just continued to drop, boom, 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 okay? And you could have trailed this and caught as many pips as you wanted, depending on what your stop loss was. You might have would have got stopped out, or you'd got stopped out in profit, right? Depending on how far you were trailing. But even if you entered up here, and let's say you got in on this candle right here, you could have potentially caught 25 pips. So I would have moved my stop loss. Once I hit 10 pips, I would have moved my stop loss into profit, and it would have hit my stop loss. It would have came back up, but guess what it did? Boom, it broke it again. It retested right here, and then it dropped down again. Okay, so that's the simplicity of the strategy I use. Now, here's a prime example. Okay, so now I see price drop down. This became the lowest level of support right here. So I'm going to mark this up the way I do. Just show you guys really quickly. This became my lowest level of support right here, right? So what I'm going to do is create a this level of support right here. I'm going to draw my lines, throw a box in, and I'm going to tell you why I'm doing this. Put this box in here, right? Like that. Now, because this is my lowest level of support. Now, for me to enter into a sell on this trade, as you can see here, price is moving up. For me to enter into a sell on this trade, I wouldn't get into a sell until price came down here, like so. Price decided if it wanted to move down here. Oh, that's not the right thing I want. Price decided it wanted to, let's say, because it's clearly moving back into it, is doing a shift of momentum, becoming an uptrend now. But let's say price wanted to come down here, right? I wait for price to break this level of support. This is the lowest level of support, or break this floor, right? Break this floor. Boom. Once it broke that floor, I'm going to wait for it to retest in this box. Okay, retest back at this floor. And once it retests at this floor, is now becoming a new level of resistance, a new level of new ceiling. Now, how do I know that for sure? Is because after it retests here on that next candle, if that candle closes under the candle here, then I know this has now become a new found level of resistance, and the trade is continuing down, okay, into a downtrend. Now, I'm actually in this trade right now. I'm in it as a buy, and I marked this setup up earlier. I do my markups on my phone. I typically take my trades. I do my markups on my computer. I take my trades off my phone. But as you can see here, I already had this marked up. So I was actually talking to a coworker of mine, and I was showing him this actual trade, which I'll show him tomorrow. So as you can see here, I have it marked up. This had became the newest, highest level of resistance. So what I waited for, price came over here, boom, it broke this level of resistance, right? It broke this ceiling. It retested as a new level of support, or a new floor. It became a new floor. Price broke the ceiling, price retested, became a new floor. And then after that, look what it's doing now. It's shooting up, okay? So I got in like right around here when I saw price broke. I saw it retested right in here. I got in like, what time did I get in on this? Around 6 p.m. So if I go back, 11, let me see, it's 22, it's almost 11 o'clock. So this is the 10 o'clock count, 10, 9, 12 plus 10, like 22, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So I got in like right around here. So currently right now I am up on this trade, probably almost what? It's dropping down. I'm up 16 pips, but my goal on my first trade order is 30 pips, which I know it'll get to right here. And I'm looking at it to shoot all the way up to at least right here, almost 80 pips before it potentially now starts hitting some a new level of resistance. So that's the strategy I use, guys. Very simple, as you can see. All I'm doing is drawing two lines in a box for a level of resistance, two lines in a box for level of support, and I got price kind of caught in between here, where if it breaks this level of resistance and creates a new level of support and goes up, it's a buy. It breaks this level of support and creates a new level of resistance and goes down, it's a sell. Simple as that. So guys, if you want to learn more about this strategy, right? Learn more about this strategy and IMarketslIve altogether, guys, all you have to do is simply go to tradewithed.com. And matter of fact, I'll actually attach a video to the end of this, guys, where I talk about this strategy a little bit more as one of the products inside of our platform. All right, so I appreciate you guys for watching. Hope you got some value. If so, hit the like button for me, guys. And if you want to hear more from me, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Talk to you later. Have a great day.